வாங்கிட்டு வரேன். பண்ணியாச்சு. Let's try this. This is one of my favorite snacking spot. Not for a coffee. The Italian herbs bread is so special here. The dishes are so nice here actually. Other than coffee, the foods are very really good actually. If you get it in combo, it will get in offer. So this is the seating areas nearby. It's a wonderful spacious seatings. Nice place. Back side also seating area. The middle area is the dining making. The back side also seating is available. Nice place actually. San Francisco. The QB ground. First floor of QB. So overall view of the shop. Hope you enjoy the small minimal